Second problem, remainder when 3 power 57 divided by 82. Remainder when 3 power 57 divided by 82. Which power of 3 when divided by 82 I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 3 power 4 power 14 into 3 power 1 divided by 82. Divided by 82. 81 divided by 82 minus 1. Minus 1 power even into 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. Clear? Third one. Remainder when 3 power 5 factorial divided by 82. Kabir, for you beta. 3 power 5 factorial divided by 82. Can I say 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This number is divisible by 4 because 1 4 is present in that number. This is 3 power 4k divided by 82. If I remove 4, still it is an even number. That is important to me. 3 power 4 power an even number. Am I right? 4 if I remove, remaining is 5 into 3 15. 15 2s are 30. 81 divided by 82. 81 divided by 82 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Next one. Question number 4. Question number 4. Remainder when 7 power 2402 divided by 2401. Remainder when 7 power 2402 divided by 2401. 7 square is 49. 7 power 4 is 7 square into 7 square. 49 into 49 is 49 square. Already I discussed a shortcut how to find out the squares from 35 to 75. By using the shortcut of how to find out the squares from 35 to 75, it is there in our old YouTube channels. Please refer. 2401. So this is nothing but remainder of 7 power 4 600 into 7 square divided by 2401. 7 power 4 is 2401. Perfectly divisible by this number. 0 into any number is 0. 0 into any number is 0. I hope the idea is clear. 7 power 4 power 600. 7 power 4 is 49 square. 49 square is 2401. 2401 power 600 into 49. 0 into anything 0. Fourth problem. Fifth problem. Right? Fifth problem. Right? Venkata Satish, previous question is 3 power 5 factorial divided by 82. You only tell me which power of 3 when divided by 82 I will get plus 1 or minus 1. That is only possible for 3 power 4 divided by 82 is minus 1. That is the reason I wrote this number as 4k. That's the number. That's the reason I wrote that number as 4k. Next one. 5 power 193 divided by 24. 5 power 193 divided by 24. Try to solve this question. Which power of 5 when divided by 24 I will get 1. 5 square divided by 24. 25 divided by 24 is 1. 5 square power 5 2 9s are 18. 2 6 are into 5 power 1 divided by 24. 25 divided by 24 is 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. Fifth one. Which power of numerator? What is the entire idea? Numerator power x when divided by denominator I should get plus or minus 1. I should get plus or minus 1. This is the entire idea model 3 revolves around. Model 3 revolves around. Third one. Fifth one. Priyanka, after the class, watch the class again. It will be crystal clear to you. Fifth one. Sixth one. Sixth one. Reminder 1. 13 power 140 divided by 170. 13 power 140 divided by 170. Which power of 13 when divided by 170 I will get you plus 1 or minus 1. 13 square power 70 divided by 170. 169 divided by 170 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd I am getting plus 1. I hope is model 3 clear to all? Kindly reply with an yes in the answer. Is model 3 clear to all? Kindly reply. You yourself can understand question number 3. I know that you can understand it on your own. Just put some time. Because if I keep on explaining every simple thing, sometimes you will may become over dependent on me, which I want to kill it. Priyanka, try it. If you are not getting it, I am there. Model 4. Model 4. Model 4. In model 3, what is the difference between model 3 and model 4? Here, numerator power x divided by denominator. It is plus or minus 1. All the cases, whatever I took, numerator is less than the denominator. Right? My numerator power x divided by denominator is plus or minus 1. Now, Ambika, minus 1 power 70 in this 70 is even. So, it will be plus 1. Did I took minus 1? 1 minute. Which question it is? I wrote it as like this, ma. It is 1. It is not minus. It is equivalent. It is equivalent to. Now, this is model 3. Model 4. Model 4. Model 4 is reminder 1. Numerator power x divided by denominator. It is plus or minus 1 when numerator is greater than denominator. That is the difference between model 3 and model 4. Next one, model 4. First question. Reminder 1. 7 power 120 divided by 5. Reminder 1. 7 power 120 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Positive remainder is 2. 2 power 120 divided by 5. Which power of 2 when divided by 5? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 divided by 5 minus 1. Second one, 13 power 141 divided by 5. 13 power 141 divided by 5. 5 twos are 10. What is the positive remainder? 3. 3 power 141 divided by 5. Which power of 3? Right? Which power of 3 when divided by 5? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 3 square power 70 into 3 power 1 divided by 5. 9 by 5. 5 twos are 10 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Second problem, I hope it is clear. Second problem, I hope it is clear. 13 power 141. 13 power 141 divided by 5. 5 twos are 10. Positive remainder is 3. Positive remainder is 3. 3 square power 70 into 3 power 1. 9 divided by 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 1 3s are 3. Third question. 13 power 141 divided by 5. 5 twos are 10. What is the positive remainder? 3. 3 power 141 divided by 5. Which power of 3? 3 square power 70 into 3 power 1 by 5. 9 divided by 5 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. So 1 3s are 3. Third one. Third one. Third one. Remainder 1. Remainder 1. 32 power 32 is divided by 7. 32 power 32 is divided by 7. 32 power 32 divided by 7. Now see here. 7 4s are 28. Positive remainder is 4. 4 power 32 is divided by 7. 4 power 32 is divided by 7. Which power of 4 when divided by 7? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 4 square is 16. 16 divided by 7 is 2. So 4 cube is 64. 4 cube power 10 into 4 square divided by 7. 64 by 7. It is 1. 16 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. What is the positive remainder? 2. Again I am explaining. Listen very carefully every problem. 32. 32 power 32 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 4 power 32 divided by 7. Which power of 4 when divided by 7? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 4 cube power 10 into 4 square. 64 divided by 7 is 1. 16 by 7 is 2. Next one. Fourth problem. Fourth one. 11 power 11. 11 power 11 divided by 9. 11 power 11 divided by 9. So this is nothing but 9 ones are 9. What is the positive remainder? 2. 2 power 11 divided by 9. 2 power 11 divided by 9. Which power of 2 when divided by 9? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. So it is 2 cube power 3 into 2 square divided by 9. So 8 divided by 9, it is minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Positive remainder is plus 5. It is 2 cube power 3 into 2 square. 2 cube is 8. 8 divided by 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Into 4 is 4. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Positive remainder is 5. Positive remainder is 5. Right? Now, Rajat, you can also do it with the negative remainder. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. Answer will not change. One question I will do it by using negative remainder. Negative remainder. Now see here. Rajat, for you. This is by using positive remainder. Now let us do by using negative remainder. Negative remainder is 7 5s are 35 minus 3. Minus 3 power 32 divided by 7. Minus power even is plus. So this will be remainder 1. 3 power 32 is divided by 7. 3 power 32 divided by 7. 3, which power of 3 when divided by 7 I will get plus 1 or minus 1, which is 3 cube power 10 into 3 square divided by 7. 27 divided by 7 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 9 divided by 7 is 2. Either by using positive remainder or by using negative remainder, answer will be same. Answer will be same. I hope it is clear. Answer will be same. Right? What is the doubt? Which can we write 2 power 6? For what? Which number you are writing 2 power 6? Right? Which number, Maheshwar? Maybe you are referring to 32, which is 2 power 5. That also will give you the same answer. Please check it out on your own. Third one over. Fourth one over. Fifth one. Fifth one. Fifth one. Fifth one. 24 power 121 divided by 11. 24 power 121 divided by 11. So this will be remainder 1. 11 2s are 22. Remainder is 2. 2 power 121 divided by 11. Which power of 2 when divided by 11 I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 32 divided by 11. 11 3s are 33 minus 1. So this is nothing but remainder of 2 power 5 power 24 into 2 power 1 divided by 11. 32 divided by 11. 11 3s are 33 minus 1. Minus 1 power even plus 1. 1 into 2 2. 1 into 2 2. I hope. Kindly reply in the live chat. Is model 4 clear to you? Now, these are all some basic problems. We did it. Basic practice problems. Any doubt in model 1 to model 4? Any doubt in model number 1 to model number 4? Kindly reply it in the live chat. 11 2s are 22, 2 power 121. Which power of 2 when divided by 11 I will get plus 1 or minus 1? 2 power 5. 2 power 5 power 24 into 2 power 1 divided by 11. 32 divided by 11 is minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Clear, right? Now, basic practice problems. We have done it. Now we will go to exercise problems. Now we will go to exercise problems. Prashanti, 11 2s are 22. Positive remainder is 2. 2 power 121. Which power of 2 when divided by 11 I will get plus 1 or minus 1? 2 power 5 divided by 11. 32 divided by 11. 11 3s are 33. Negative remainder minus 1. So I wrote it like this, Prashanti. Right? 32. 11 3s are 33 minus 1 power even. Right? Next one. When the numerator is greater than denominator, ignore the power. We must make the numerator less than denominator. Yes, you have understood right. That is the first step, Rajat. Balasubramaniam, I am sorry beta, I cannot start for you the class started 1 hour before, right? Please watch the class after the class is over. Now exercise problems. Now it will be cakewalk for you to understand. Now it will be cakewalk for you to understand. First question. 32 power 50 divided by 9. Make the numerator smaller than the denominator. 9 positive remainder or negative remainder? Answer will not change. I am using negative remainder. 9 4s are 36 minus 4. Minus 4 power 50 divided by 9. Minus power even is plus. So this will become 4 power 50 divided by 9. 4 power 50 is 4 cube power 16 into 4 square divided by 9. 64 divided by 9, 1. 16 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Positive remainder is 7. Positive remainder is 7. Positive remainder is 7. 9 4s are 36 minus 4 power 50 is 4 power 50 divided by 9. Which power of 4? The entire idea is finding. Again I am telling you, the entire idea is finding numerator power x when divided by denominator plus or minus 1. This is the entire idea. This is the entire idea. If you understand this idea, all the problems can be solved easily. Minus 4 power 50, 4 power 50 divided by 9, 4 cube power 16 into 4 square divided by 9. 64 by 9, it is 1. 16 by 9 is 7. First one answer is 7. Second one. Second one. Remainder of 2 power 498 divided by 25. 2 power 498 divided by 25. 2 power 498 divided by 25. Now see here. Remainder 1. 2 power 10 divided by 25. 1024 divided by 25. 25 4s are 100. 24. It is minus 1. So you have to convert it into powers of 10. Remainder 1. 2 power 10 power 49 into 2 power 8 divided by 25. I hope it is clear. 1024 divided by 25 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. 256 divided by 25, which is 6. Negative remainder 6. Positive remainder 19. Positive remainder 19. 2 power 10 is 10. I will tell you, sir, how you checked directly whether 2 power 10 divided by 25 is minus 1, which I will tell you right when I am discussing Euler's theorem. When I am discussing Euler's theorem, I will tell you this. Now, another few questions. Please write down, sir. Exercise problems. Exercise problems. Exercise. First one. Remainder 1. 7 power 7 divided by 9. 7 power 7 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Negative remainder is minus 2. Minus 2 power 7 divided by 9. This is minus remainder of 2 power 7 divided by 9. 2 power 7 divided by 9. So this is minus remainder of 2 power 6 into 2 power 1 divided by 9. Divided by 9. 2 power 6 divided by 9 is 1. Minus into 2 is minus 2. Positive remainder is 7. Positive remainder is 7. I hope the idea is clear. 9 ones are 9. Negative remainder is minus 2. Minus 2 power 7. Minus is out. Remainder of 2 power 7 by 9. 2 power 6 into 2 power 1. This clear, right? Now, next one. Second one. Remainder of 15 power 23 plus 23 power 23 divided by 19. 15 power 23 plus 23 power 23 divided by 19. Method 1. Method 1. Method 1. 15 power 93. 19 ones are 19. Negative remainder is minus 4 power 23. 19 ones are 19. This is 4 power 23 divided by 90. This is 0. Method 1. 19 ones are 19. 19 ones are 19 plus 4. Method 2. Method 2. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. Why? Because a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. Now see this question. Method 2. If I use method 2, 15 power 23 plus 23 power 23, a power n plus b power n, 23 is an odd number. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b, which is 15 plus 23, 38. Any number divisible by 38 is also divisible by 19. So answer for this question is 0.